Poorvi Chothani from India.
Nice to meet you. And my question is, what are the tendencies of law development in India?
In India, we have a dual type of system. We follow common law and we have some statutes which have been enacted. And we have a very dynamic legal system. It is constantly evolving. So we have new legislation being enacted, and we also have court judgments which are ruling law till there is a legislation to contradict them. So it's a very dynamic area of legal development.
Do you have any new cases which would be really interesting in comparison to the last ages and which would show that it really changed?
There are changes in our foreign direct investment laws where earlier foreign companies were not allowed to work in India, but since 1991 they are welcome, and every year we are seeing more and more changes to welcome them. The most important change that we are expecting now is a change in the retail industry. Multi-brand retail companies like Texo, Carrefour are not allowed in India. However, we expect that to change very soon. India is a huge market, so the multi-brand retail companies are dying to do business over there. So that is something we are looking forward to, and even in the insurance sector. So foreign direct investment is changing drastically.
So do you predict the increase of investment in India in future?
Yes, I predict the investment from abroad in India. It will increase. I also predict that there will be a lot of outbound investment. You see, Indian companies are investing in Europe extensively. They are buying companies in mining sector, in automobile manufacturing, in steel manufacturing, and that is going to increase. The Indian companies are making more money than before, and they have gained confidence, so they are investing outside India. So it's a great business opportunity for Europe and India to collaborate.
Your speech was dedicated to intellectual property and also labor law, and I have a question connected to this. So you've mentioned that you have your own copyright law in India, and also that Madrid Protocol will be enforced in 12 months. What do you predict? What will change in connection with enforcing this Madrid Protocol?
The Madrid Protocol is applicable to trademarks, and I'm hoping it will come into law in 12 months. We have already signed the agreement, so we've agreed to accede to that, but what has not happened is our local regulation and our local infrastructure is not ready for the Madrid Protocol. What this will do is it will make it easy for companies to register their trademarks in India, and it will make it easy for India to register their trademarks all over the world in all Madrid Protocol countries. So it reduces expenses and it reduces time. So that is good for intellectual property.
Thank you very much. I really enjoyed your speech, and thank you for the interview. Thank you.